One of the best things you can do in time of the crisis, like in the situations we are right now, it's the fear, anxiety, we really don't know what is happening, is just to make yourself feel useful. And one of the best way to do so is by cooking, by baking, especially baking. Baking is very rewarding, and if you have kids at home, they love to get involved with baking. I started to make a bread yesterday, so I prepared everything last night and my dough rested. So I'm going to share my baking today with you, and hopefully we can see the result. Maybe I take a picture of the bread and put it out there so you'll be inspired. I'm going to show it to you how I did it and what I used. Okay, so this is my dough. I covered it with plastic wrap and some towel. You see, it is quite sticky. So I'm going to use some flour on the edges so I can pull the dough away from the side. And one of the things I like to use is my spatula. This is a very good way to separate the dough from the side. And just use the spatula to fold the dough. Put some flour. Just bring the fold it a couple times. If you want to see more of those pockets or holes in your bread, you have to do this process a few times. So you just pull the dough just like this and fold it. Pull the dough and fold. Pull and fold. And one more time. This looks like sticky. Yes, this is good. Kids love to do this. Ask them to do their homeworks, and then we can bake the bread. How's that? Perfect. They love it. There you go. And I cover it again. I cover it again. And a towel. And let it rest. We do this process maybe 4 more times, and each time the dough rests for maybe 30 minutes. Okay? Here I have a clean towel. I pour some sesame seeds and some flour, some flaxseed, the powdered flaxseed at the bottom, and I just put my dough over, and I'm gonna just let it rest another time for half an hour, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. So the oven goes on 450 the heat, and I'm gonna put my cast iron inside the oven to heat, and then I take it out. I put the dough there and I put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and then I remove the lid and let it be there again for another 10-15 minutes. Okay, so wish me luck. Okay, as you see, I took out the bread from the oven. It looks very nice. I have to wait for the bread to get a little bit cooler or loses its temperature so I can cut, so you can see how the inside looks.